Hello students, welcome to another session of biology. In this session, we are going to study about the topic STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease. This is a topic of chapter 4 of class 12th biology, which is reproductive health. So let us quickly begin. So what do you mean by STDs? The diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted diseases. STDs are also known as VD. VD stands for venereal diseases, or RTI means reproductive tract infections. Some of the sexually transmitted diseases are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course the most discussed infection in the recent years, HIV leading to AIDS, are some of the common STDs. Among these, HIV infection is most dangerous. Now let us see how these infectious diseases are transmitted. Some of these infections like hepatitis B and HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments, etc. With infected persons, transfusion of blood or from an infected mother to the fetus too. Hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infections, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. Now let us see what are the symptoms of these sexually transmitted diseases. Early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swellings, etc. in the genital region. Infected females may often be asymptomatic and hence may remain undetected for long. Absence or less significant symptoms in the early stages of infection and the social stigma attached to the STDs deter the infected person from going for timely detection and proper treatment. This could lead to complications later, which include pelvic inflammatory diseases, that is PID, abortions, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive tract. STDs are a major threat to a healthy society. Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of these diseases are given prime consideration under the reproductive health care programs. Though all persons are vulnerable to these infections, their incidence are reported to be very high among persons in the age group of 15 to 24 years, the age group to which you all belong. Now let us see how these STDs can be prevented. One could be free of the sexually transmitted infections by following the simple principles given below. The first point is avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partners. The second one is always use condoms during coitus. And the third point is in case of doubt, one should go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get complete treatment if diagnosed with the disease. Thank you and have a nice day.